Small business owners who adopt these AI tools are saving 20 to 30 hours per week. I'm going to break down exactly which tools to use for each part of your business. For marketing automation, use ChatGPT for copy and Canva AI for visuals. Write a month of social media posts in 2 hours instead of 20. Set up Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule everything automatically. For customer service, use Tidio or Intercom's free tier with AI chat. The AI handles 60 to 70% of customer questions automatically, 24/7, without a human. Your customer service cost drops dramatically. For admin and operations, use Notion AI for meeting notes and documentation, and Zapier free tier for workflow automation. Connect your email, calendar, CRM, and project management in one automated flow. For content creation, this is where AI saves the most time. 1 video script, 1 blog post, 10 social media captions, and 5 email sequences, all in 3 hours with AI versus 25 hours manually. The free versus paid breakdown: all of the tools I mentioned have free tiers that are sufficient for a small business doing under $50,000 a month. You don't need to pay for any AI tool until you're consistently profitable. Where to start? Pick the single biggest time drain in your business right now. If it's writing, start with ChatGPT. If it's customer service, start with Tidio. If it's scheduling, start with Buffer. Don't try to implement everything at once. Subscribe for the weekly breakdown of exactly how we use each of these tools to run TheNewMind.online.